The production version of the Kia EV5 largely brings back the styling design of the concept car and follows Kia's new design concept, Opposites United. The unique full-length headlights remain highly recognizable. Viewed from the front fascia adopts the iconic digital Tiger Roar design, which not only pays homage to Kia's classic Tiger Roar grille but also reflects a sense of simplicity, nobility, and power. The front uses vertically arranged, cubic projection LED headlights and constellation-inspired, star map LED daytime running lights. Its shape is simple, shiny and futuristic. On the side of the car's body, the Kia EV5 features elegant and smooth body lines, creating a distinct sculptural beauty. Combined with the bold and sturdy square fender design, it exudes a sense of power. While the rear design and front fascia are in the same line, it uses unique types of taillights and aerodynamic roof spoiler to make the vehicle's stance more three-dimensional and fuller. In terms of body size, the Kia EV5 has a length/width/height of 4615 mm/1875 mm/1715 mm respectively and a wheelbase of 2750 mm. As for the interior and configuration of the new car, these were not exhibited at the press conference. According to known information, the new car uses unique, romantic front seats, reflecting the seamless connection of space and bringing users a new stage-based space experience. The main driver is equipped with a zero-gravity seat that supports up to 14-way electric adjustment and has massage, ventilation, heating, memory and other modes. In addition, the EV5 is equipped with a multi-scenario luggage expansion card, the only zero-degree flat folding rear seats in its class, and a 67L front trunk. With the V2L external discharge function, the EV5 can easily meet a variety of life scenarios, such as camping. Need. It is worth noting that EV5 is the first to use the latest generation CCNC in-car entertainment system, equipped with rich entertainment application and UWB digital key functions, and cooperates with OTA remote vehicle upgrade to continuously optimize and update the vehicle in all aspects. In terms of safety, the EV5 will be equipped with 7 airbags, including a front center airbag, as standard. At the same time, the EV5 will be equipped with a second-generation remote control, highway driving support system, which also supports semi-automatic lane changing. In terms of power, EV5 offers various power combinations such as standard battery life, long battery life, single motor and dual motor to meet users' different needs. Among them, the EV5 long-range version has a maximum cruising range of more than 700 km and uses the second-generation battery management system, which can charge the battery from 30% to 80% in just 27 minutes. The EV5 is also equipped with an energy recovery system that supports 5-level adjustment and can be automatically adjusted according to the driver's habits to maximize the improvement in the vehicle's power consumption.